Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is the anniversary of a very tragic event in the history of Islam. On the 8th of Shawwal of year 1344 of Hijri, coincided with 1926, the shrine of four Imams of AhlulBayt Imam al-Hassan, Imam as-Sajjad, Imam al-Baqir, and Imam al-Sadiq عليهم السلام was demolished. This act of blasphemy, carried out by a group of extremists seeking nearness to Allah, despite of Rasul Allah numerous recommendations to glorify his progeny. This tragedy caused pain in the heart of Imam al-Hujja, Allah, تعالى فرجه الشريف, and the hearts of all the true Muslims, and continues till day. We offer our deepest condolences to Imam of our time, Allah, تعالى فرجه الشريف, and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to hasten his advent, to rebuild a glorious shrine for his pure forefathers. Amin. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.